Hello students, good morning to you all. Welcome in English class. Today we are going to see an outdoor game which originated in India. Yes, it is a kabaddi. So, today's our lesson is a kabaddi match. The school sports meet was scheduled next month. Here, sports meet means annual sports day. Match was going to be held between 9th A and 9th B. Players of the ninth A are Govind, Mangesh, Sohan and Vivek. Players of the ninth B are Suresh, Ravi, Mohan, Vinod, Ajinkya and Mihir. Ninth B were with the favorites and ninth A had three new students who played really well. That's why ninth A was full of hopes to win over ninth B. When the match started, all the spectators clapped and boosted the morale of both the teams, ninth A and ninth B. The toss was won by the ninth A and Govind was the raider who swiftly touched the Suresh from ninth B and headed home by scoring a point. Here, the meaning of raider is player. In the team of ninth B, there was Ravi, who was a strong player who could not only catch very well but all the players were afraid of him. He had won many matches for ninth B with the other two players Mohan and Vinod. Like Ravi in ninth B, ninth A also had Mangesh. Though pulled down by ninth B players with all his might, Mangesh managed to touch the midline and return back without losing his breath and scoring 3 points for his team by removing Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya from ninth B. When ninth B saw such a tough opposition, they too started playing very cautiously. Mihir from ninth B managed to tag Sohan from ninth A. But to the surprise of ninth B, Vivek the raider of ninth A went across the midline with the anti-raiders hanging onto his arm. Thus, the whole of ninth B team was declared out. Ninth A had managed to get 3 more points of Lona. Lona means if all the 7 players in a team are out, the opposite team gets bonus of points. After the half time, ninth A players were full of confidence. Once again they again managed to get 3 S raider of ninth B, that is Ravi, Ajinkya and Mohan. Thus, ninth A outplayed ninth B in all the areas of kabaddi. Because of their team spirit, their confidence, their strategies, ninth A defeated ninth B. In kabaddi, two teams of 7 members each face each other in a flat rectangular court divided by a midline. The game is usually played in 2 halves with half-time break in between. After the break, the team exchange their sides in the court. To play the game, each team sends raider across the midline to the other team. The raider tries to take the opponent and run back to his side all in one breath. To show that he hasn't inhaled again, he has to chant kabaddi kabaddi all the time. If he has to inhale again, he is out. The opponents try to catch the raider and stop him going back to his half till he lost his breath and has to inhale again. If the raider managed to go back successfully, all the persons he tagged and all those who have touched him are declared out. For each player declared out, the opposite team scores a point. If all the 7 players in a team are out, the opposite team gets bonus points, a Lona. The team with the maximum points win the match. The game of kabaddi requires good health, muscular strength, strategic skill, a lot of practice and above all great determination. Would you like to be an ice kabaddi player? If you make a resolve now, one day you may help win glory for your school, district or even the state and the country. Students, here we come to the end of the chapter. Thank you.